The Wendell Gilley Museum. People, nature, art. Hello! Welcome! Today we're going to talk a little bit about prayer flags, their origins, and what they have to do with the Wendell Gilley Museum. So, if you visit the Wendell Gilley Museum, you have some options for different do-it-yourself crafts. One of them is prayer flags that we have started creating on recycled sailcloth that was donated to the museum. Now, the origin of prayer flags is actually really interesting. Prayer flags originated in Tibet and are of Buddhist origin. The order of the colors and the manner of hanging, symbolism, and the imagery are all important for the prayers and good fortunes involved in the creation of prayer flags. The colors all have different meanings. So blue is for sky and space, white is for air and wind, red is for fire, green is for water, and yellow is for earth. And the order that you hang them in is supposed to help create balance in each of those 5 elements and bring harmony and health. The traditional prayer flags feature deities, mantras, and symbolism specific to Buddhism. Prayers for long life and good fortune are included for the person who is actually hanging the flags. Tibetans believe the prayers and mantras will be blown into the wind to spread goodness and compassion to all people in the pervading space. Our Wendell Gilley flags are going to celebrate goodness, compassion for people, nature, and art. We encourage you to create a flag that represents one of the 5 elements, including encouraging words or well wishes, or celebrates people, nature, art, and of course birds. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and please enjoy our video.
Well, I saw fireworks from the freeway, and behind closed eyes I can't make them go away. Cause you were born on the 4th of July. Freedom ring, well, something on the surface it stinks. I see something on the surface, well, it kinda makes me nervous. Who say that you deserve this, and what kind of God would serve this? We will cure this dirty old disease. Well, if you got the poison, I've got the remedy. The remedy is the experience. This is a dangerous liaison. I says the comedy, is that it's serious? This is a strange enough new play on words. I said the tragedy is how you're gonna spend the rest of your nights with the light on. So shine the light on all of your friends. Well, it all amounts to nothing in the end. I won't worry my life away.
So I have chosen blue, which represents, if you recall, the sky and space. And I'm going to create a bird for each of these different colors that follows the theme of that color. So I've chosen blue for sky and space, and I've chosen a bluebird in flight. And I started with a coat of just regular blue that I covered the entire piece with and let it dry. The colors on my palette today are mostly blues with some orange, which is the complementary color of blue. And having that complementary color can really make your work pop, but you can also use it to make a darker version of your color. Now I'm just looking at a bird, an image of this bird, and I'm blocking out all the places that I would need to use blue. Then I'm going to do the same with the orange breast, with white, and with some brown for his beak and his feet. And I go back in at the end with a darker color, black for his eye. It would also help to do some layering. Now I'm using tempera. If you come to join us at the museum, we have acrylic there for you that's a little bit more opaque.
Uncovering the ways to plan the next big attack. While they were counting down the ways to stab the brother in the be right back after this. The unavoidable kiss with a minty fresh damp breath is sure to outlast this catastrophe. Dance with me, cause if you got the poison, I've got the remedy. The remedy is the experience. This is a dangerously tried to